So I was just doing my daily checkup on my seeds and tapping the bag to get some of the moisture off. And I see down here, it looks like one of our seeds have germinated. And I believe that there's some smaller ones under here. Yeah, right around there. Here, I'll take the bag off so then you can get a better look. But that's pretty cool that they're already germinating now. I thought it would take at least another week or so. It's only been, yeah, it's been about exactly a week. So yeah, here we are, our first little seeds. That pot looks like it's doing pretty well. It's got every single seed is germinated. Unfortunately, we're going to have to kind of split those up. We can't leave it like that. They don't have enough space or enough nutrients to fully grow with 3. We have 2 in this one. I think I did accidentally add 3 or 2 seeds in one spot, and it looked like every single seed in that one spot, because you can see 3 stalks right there, and it looks like there's some other ones growing up over there. Now, I don't really remember which ones are which, because one half I did bell peppers, and the other half I did some other peppers I forget the name of, but I'll put it in the video. I wasn't sure if the bell peppers were going to grow, but I did only use the red ones, and it looks like either way we have 2 here and some more over here. So either way we do have both plants germinating. It doesn't look like any of the cayenne peppers have started to grow yet. But I don't think that these ones get as much warmth as the bigger pots, since those are suspended and not on the heating pad. The heating pad is supposed to speed up the process because these seeds germinate around 75 to 80 degrees, and we can't really have that in a basement without the heating pad and the lamp, which adds some additional heat to the top. But it's looking pretty good so far. It's looking up. Okay, so one last thing. I just noticed today that there is some small white fuzzy mold growing inside these, but apparently that mold is harmless, and it's only because I overwatered them. So hopefully that's the case. I'll try to water them less, and maybe that mold will go away. But we were also thinking about putting up some fans so that it can blow the air around, and it will prevent some mold from growing and fungus and, such.